Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Harrison with St. Anthony Park Dental Arts, and I'd like to welcome you to our third in our video series on YouTube. And at my office, we focus on high technology with a small town feel. And today we're talking about a newer technology we have in my office called the Navigator Diode Laser. And diode lasers are a type of laser that can be used in many different aspects in the dental office. As many of you know, lasers are being used on a regular basis in healthcare, both in dermatology for removing lesions from all over the body with really good success. And we've seen some really great results now in the dental office with this type of diode laser that's specifically for dentistry. One of the most exciting things it can do, and people are plagued by them all the time, is eliminate cold sores and canker sores. And especially cold sores, they can be huge. You can just take over practically half your face, and there's nothing available typically over the counter that really does a good job of taking care of it, or taking care of it quickly. Oftentimes you have to suffer through it for 2 weeks. Even canker sores the same way. But with this diode laser, this is amazing. That allows us, the laser energy has a way of killing both viruses and bacteria at the cellular level, and actually then the lesions heal within 24 hours with with no pain. That's the other thing that is really amazing about the laser, is that the normal amount of inflammation you would have, let's say if you had some minor surgery on your arm or on your finger or your hand, and you have the inflammation that occurs after having that minor surgery done, where they've used a little scalpel or something to remove something, or done small surgery on your arm to remove a mole or something. That usually typically gets inflamed. It's very painful, but the wavelength energy that comes from using a laser allows us to kind of eliminate the inflammation altogether, which is really makes for no pain. Because when you get pain in any type of procedure, what it would be anywhere in our body, it's typically from the inflammation that occurs, the normal cascade of chemicals that we have in our body. But the laser can kind of skip that process so that we don't have that happen. So it's amazing for that use, amazing for also removing gummy smiles. We can remove excess gum tissue and have it just look spectacular, especially after children and adults have had orthodontics, and the gums tend to grow over the brackets. Many of you maybe have seen that in your own children, or you've had that in yourself. We can eliminate that with not needing to use anesthetic and being completely comfortable. The other thing we use it for now in my office is for periodontal or gum treatment. We're using this and keeping this fiber and going down and killing the viruses and bacteria down in the gum pocket in between the tooth and gum. And we're finding, here and also in other dental offices across the United States and in larger studies, that it's being very effective in helping cure periodontal disease much more than some of the other antibiotics or other products we have to help fight gum disease. So the laser is something that really we're on the cutting edge for when it comes to that treatment. So I welcome you to take a look at our website at www.sapdentalarts.com, and I appreciate you watching today. Thank you.